What's up, guys? So my car came with an MGW shifter on it when I bought it, but I noticed recently that when I was putting it into gear, it had a lot of slop, and that's not good. So I contacted MGW, which is the manufacturer of this particular shifter that came with the car when I bought it, and after talking to them, they basically they said that I had the wrong bushings in there. They weren't the right ones, so I got some new ones, some proper bushings, and we're going to swap them out. The challenge here is getting all this done without having to disconnect the coupling there on the linkage, because then the alignment goes away on the shifter and I don't have the alignment tool. Now these were the old bushings. You can tell they're pretty much destroyed and they weren't even the right ones, so you know, that is what it is. But once we get the top of the shift lever off, then just got to remove the bolts and expose them. I just swapped one bushing up there on the top. Now I just got to do the bottom, and the whole process is pretty easy. These new bushings come with these double grommets, and they're slightly offset, so you got to put this in the right way. As you can see here, the opening goes closer towards the driver's side when they're mounted. You have to put one bushing from underneath and then one bushing from the top and kind of squeeze this together, and that will do the proper installation. Once we bolt it in, it was just a matter of putting everything back together. And you can see here I'm testing it out, and let me tell you, the result was completely a night and day difference. Like, look at how crisp that is. It goes right into the next gear, doesn't wiggle around. And check out this clip of me driving. Have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, or follow, and thank you for watching.